So you might be in a position where for some reason your Instagram stories are blurry. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, maybe every single time you make your way over to your Instagram application and you go ahead and post a story of some sort, you might see that the stories that you actually post are just completely blurry and they're just very, very annoying. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that when you're taking these stories or you're, posting whatever you're posting, sometimes those stories can be blurry because you're actually going through and actually moving your phone when you're actually taking that photo. So if you saw what I just did, sometimes if you're taking a photo like this, you may see that I like move my phone a little bit. So you want to make sure that if you're taking these stories, you're being very gentle, that you're just tapping the, take button, and you're not doing anything and saying like moving the phone too much or anything like that, which can be a problem for a lot of people. Now, if you're posting a story, meaning that if you're posting a story from your Instagram reel, so if you're posting the story like this, you first want to make sure that that photo that you're posting is of high quality. So if you go and make your way over to your Photos application and you're seeing that the photo is already blurry from your particular, like from this page right here, that basically means that the photo is going to be blurry on Instagram story. So make sure that you're taking a high quality photo from the other side, because if you're not, well, then that's basically going to be another problem. Now, on top of that, you want to make sure that if you're actually going through and taking a photo or whatever, that you're not zooming in too much. Because if you're zooming in too much into a photo that's already existing, you may see that it's already blurry from the beginning, and then you're just zooming into a blurry photo, which is going to cause even more problems. So that's another thing you may just want to keep an eye out for as well. Just go ahead and making sure that you're not actually going through and, zooming in too much, which can also cause problems. Now, another thing you may want to keep your eye out for is your Instagram application update. You may just need to update your Instagram app, which can be a problem for a lot of people. So go and tap into your App Store icon right here. You want to click on the search bar, and you just want to search up Instagram. So type in Instagram as you normally would, just like so. And you just want to find that application, and all you want to do is go ahead and update your Instagram app. Like I said, for a lot of people, this is probably all you're going to have to do, and that's all I'd recommend for you to do here as well. So that's pretty much all you have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.